Someone made a comment on this channel. Has your old motor gone to the scrapyard? No, it ain't. Don't put her down like that. She's chugging away. She's chugging away. Look. She is chugging away. Look at that. Thing of beauty. A proper workhorse. That's what you want. Hey? All this modern crap. Does the job I need. She's lovely. Look at her. In all her glory. So a reply to that comment. Yes, the old girl is still going. Yes, the heater works. Yes, the engine works. Does she need work? Yes. A lot of work. But she's still going strong. Still does the job that I needed to do. She's been running since the 80s. And touch wood, it stays that way.